So first off, when building our filtration unit, you're going to need a can, some activated carbon, some cotton balls, some tape, and scissors to cut the can. First off, we're going to cut our can in half. Gonna clean out the inside as it's just been washed. And you're gonna see me struggle with that with one hand. Next, we are gonna cut some holes on the bottom of our can to allow air in. Next, we're gonna start building our filtration unit. For this, we're gonna take a cotton ball and we're going to start to tear it to allow air to flow more easy through it, to allow a lot of filtration and still allow those particles to be captured. Next, we're going to start to put them inside of our can or water bottle or whatever you are using, and we're going to test it to make sure that it's not covering up too many holes. We're going to make sure we're not overfilling it, but also making sure that all the areas are covered. And there you have it, first layer done. Next, we're going to be using our activated carbon. Please be careful, this stuff does get everywhere and it can get all over your hands, as you are about to see. So we are going to take these pellets and we are going to place them on top of the cotton balls. And we want to get a pretty solid layer, so pretty much almost completely covering the cotton balls, as you will see later. It's going to take a lot of carbon, and as you can see, I've done a couple scoops already and it's still not covering a lot of the cotton, so we're going to add a couple more. And yes, I did spill all over the table, but eventually we get there. And you can see pretty much all of the cotton is covered. And then we're just going to repeat this process with the cotton and the activated carbon until we have a full can. As you can see, the can is completely full, making sure your top layer is cotton. Now we're going to move on to the actual mask portion. So first you're going to watch. I'm just cleaning and cutting the mask in half, removing the top and the bottom parts, and then you see I am taping the sides because they're pretty sharp, so just taping it to make it fit a bit more snug to the face. As you can see, pretty much have all the sides taped. Make sure it fits your own face. I accidentally cut it completely in half, so you just see me retaping it. And then as you can see, I'm about to attach to create a little headband kind of situation as well. And as you missed earlier, I just attached the filtration to the mask using duct tape and then put some sponges on top of that just as a final level of filtration. And then here's the final product. Now we get to testing. So here I am just putting on the mask, making sure I am outside in a well-ventilated area. So the first thing I'm going to be testing is some Lysol. Lysol has a very strong scent, and a very good way to test whether your mask is secure enough is by spraying something that has a very strong scent and seeing if you are able to smell it. So as you can see, I'm trying to fill the air with Lysol and then standing in, seeing if I can actually smell any of the material, which I cannot. The next thing I'll be smelling is some spray paint. Spray paint has a horrific odor if you are close enough to it. So here I am just spraying it towards my mask, and as you can see again, I don't smell it.